Hey, what's up guys? So today we have another car review. Today we have our girl H Breezy stopping in to check us out. So let's check out her ride. So right now we're currently in H Breezy's FRS. She does have a few mods done to this car. As you guys can tell from the interior, she has a neochrome NRG steering wheel. We are likewise knob. She does have her own interior custom wrap in like burgundy Alcantara. Ignore the passenger light, that thing is really annoying. It is an automatic transmission. Unfortunately, I'm a stick shift kind of guy. But this is a daily driven car, so that's why she has decided to keep the car pretty much stock just for reliability purposes. So the car will, won't ever give her any problems. The coilovers she has on this car are Megan, but so far they ride pretty good. The thing is also her ride height is a really good ride height. It's not super low, but also her fitment's on point. It rides smooth. I can get over speed bumps, no problem. Go up and over driveways, no problem. Haven't had no issues. For her car, her exterior, I believe it's Amorite liquid wrap. It's like a color shifting wrap. It looks badass, especially with the burgundy color scheme that she's going for. It's like a burgundy and gold. It flows and it looks really well. And also on the side panels of her car, she does have like a 3D embossed pattern of like a flower pattern, and that also looks really cool. As for other mods, she does have fog lights, she does have a carbon splitter, she does have password JDM upper and lower canards on the front bumper. She also has a carbon fiber Rocket Bunny V1 wing. She does have real TRD louvers, so she got those hot boy points, those street credit points right there. For her wheels, unfortunately, I don't have much information on that. I don't know what kind of wheels she's running. They do look like AG wheels, but I could be wrong. But the chrome actually flows really well with this car, which I'm not a huge fan of chrome, but this car definitely pulls it off. For her seats, she does have these bronze seats that are also the same color matching, like burgundy. I'm actually like a huge fan of her color scheme, like burgundy and gold. It looks so badass. The way she built her car is pretty well built. I can't have no complaints. She has some Valenti taillights that also look really good on this car. At first, I was kind of like, is a big wing gonna look good on a non-wide body FRS? But after checking out her car, it looks really fucking badass. So now I want one for my car. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick car review we did on H Breezy's FRS. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Shoot us some comments below. Let me know what you guys think. And again, guys, we appreciate all the love and support. Make sure you guys share our videos with all your friends and family. Peace out.
Everything I drop, play.